is Patricia Martins and I'm here today to talk to you about reusable nappies, most specifically about washing routines. Let me start telling you something. I started cloth nappies around 8 months ago and I almost quit before I even started. Do you know why was that? Because of all the washing rules. Oh my God, I was so overwhelmed that I didn't know how to do it. How could I deal with a small baby and still do all the washing for cloth nappies? That looked like too much effort. Gladly, I found LittleLamb nappies guidelines and everything changed. So what I want to do is in this video is easy peasy show you about 4 steps where how do you storage dirty nappies, wash them and dry them, ready to use on your little one bum, and everything is going to go smoothly and perfectly. Let's start by talking about the importance of washing all new nappies. So these two are fitted nappies from LittleLamb. This is a brand new one, bamboo, but the same that I'm going to say is applicable to any cotton materials. All the new items should be pre-washed. Basically, if you don't, they won't absorb anything. All yarn has a starch-based size sprayed on into to facilitate the snag-free smooth running through the knitting machines, which operates at high speed. So, LittleLamb's guidelines recommend that all new nappies are pre-washed at 30 degrees at least 3 times without any detergent. So this is a nappy, a bamboo one, exactly the same, but after 3 washes at 30 degrees. As I said, you don't need to dry between them. You just need to repeat the cycle at 30 degrees. This will remove any water-soluble starch and activate the absorption of the fabric. Same thing about the insert. So this is a brand new insert. Looks very soft, but is not absorbent. The LittleLamb inserts and cotton nappies and bamboo materials, nappies or inserts, they just get their maximum of absorbency after 6 washes. So the recommendation is that when you get a new nappy with brand new inserts, they need to be pre-washed at 30 degrees for at least 6 times. And as I said, you don't need to wait for them to dry. You can just rerun the cycle. I think it's easy to see the difference between already washed insert and a brand new one. Now let's talk about storage dirty nappies. So you remove a nappy from your baby. Don't forget to undo any poppers here. And if you've got a disposable liner, it's a poo catcher, all you have to do is bin it. If it's a reusable liner like this one from LittleLamb, what you can do is you can hold like this on the toilet and at the same time flush it and shake it a little bit. Hopefully all the poo will get off and then it's ready to storage until you actually wash it. If this is like a small baby nappy, the poo is water soluble, so you don't need to flush it or anything. You can just drop the reusable liner inside the washing machine. Now, second step is remove all the inserts from inside your nappy, like this. And remember to throw this all into a mesh bag or a laundry bucket, whatever works for you. The important thing is that you cannot keep dirty or wet nappies without washing for more than 2 days. So the storage of dirty and wet nappies shouldn't be longer than 2 days. Then after 2 days or every 2-3 days, just do a washing cycle and you get your nappies sorted. A mesh bag like this, and then with wide open mouth, just drop it into your washing machine. Normally what I do is I separate the mesh bag to make sure the nappies will clean freely inside the washing machine. Then the first step is a pre-wash without any detergent on it, and normally I just select for about 45 minutes at 30 degrees, 800 for centrifugation, and without any detergent. So I think, yeah, you can see here, and this is the pre-wash. I also have this option right here, but no, sometimes the washing machines, they use the pre-wash combined with the program, they reuse the same water, and you don't want that because you are talking about nappies and this is a very dirty subject. So the pre-wash finished, you don't need to do anything, just change the program and add the detergent. You can add either a non-bio detergent or a normal one, and it can be liquid or powder. Personally, I prefer non-bio when we are talking about babies under 1 year old, mainly because of the risk of sensitive skin. And I also prefer powder detergent because I feel like it gets better in the material. So the key thing is to use the right dosage for the amount of nappies that you get inside the machine. After that, the next step is to select one of your longest programs. And now, the thing that you need to pay attention to is if you are washing it for more than 2 hours. Because nappies need loads of water and movement. So my favorite one is this one. Actually, it's 3 hours and 4 minutes. And I just press start and that's it. Once your main wash finished, I usually do an extra rinse just to make sure that there's no detergent left in the nappies. One of the risks of washing the nappies very frequently is the detergent buildup. So the rinse cycle will help to avoid any buildup. Now let's talk about drying your nappies. You got 3 options and they all work equally, mostly depend on the time of the year. If we're talking about summertime, my recommendation and LittleLamb recommendation is to dry your nappies outside in the sun and hopefully in the heat. Because the sun has the blanch property, so it will make your nappies look whiter, and also it kills bacteria. So it's just the natural and fresh way to dry your nappies. Winter time, and I know, UK, raining all the time, you have got the other 2 options. You can either dry the nappies and liners inside in a normal hair dryer, or you can put in one of those heat air dryers. The important thing is your nappies or your liners should not touch the heater. And the third option is using the dryer washing machine. And that is, easy. The only thing that you need to pay attention to is not use the high heat. Just dry your nappies in the slow heat program. And I think this is all, guys. I really hope this is helpful. And if you guys have any questions or any doubts, please let me know, let LittleLamb's team know, and we are more than happy to help you. We really think this is a good summary how to storage, wash and dry your nappies, and we really think this will help you to keep the quality of your nappies to the highest for the long time possible. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.